If you also want to create notes like this from a PDF, then you have clicked on the right video. With just one click, you can generate notes for an entire chapter. You can create notes for the complete book here. Stay till the end. So, if you want to make handwritten notes from a PDF, you will need to use Gemini. Nowadays, Gemini is available on your mobile as well, and you can also use it on the web. Listen carefully to the steps I'm about to explain and try them yourself. You will get very good results. First, open Google Gemini. You can create an account using your Gmail. There won't be any major problems. Here you need to click on the plus icon and then click on Upload File. I have taken a Class 10 PDF file as an example, but you can upload any PDF you want. You can create notes for anything using this prompt. There are many videos where different prompts are shared, but I have created a special prompt that took me a lot of time to design. If you use it, you will benefit a lot. Please keep two things in mind. In the tools section, you must select Canvas. Do not select fast mode, select thinking mode. Now I'll show you my prompt. I've copied it here. This prompt works for everything, no matter what type of content you are creating. If it is study related, it will definitely work. Even if you are writing someone's thesis or doing some other work, this prompt will work everywhere. This prompt is very long. In a way, I have written everything inside it. And as I said earlier, it took me time to make it. So please take care, like the video. And if you want this prompt, I will provide it to you. You will get this prompt, but after one day. Until then, watch the video completely and share it as much as possible. I will pin it in the comments. This prompt is not final. You should also add some inputs from your side. That's what I believe. As I said, keep it on thinking instead of fast, and then run it. It will take some time, my friend, so you'll need to wait a bit while it analyzes. Sometimes errors may occur. Don't be afraid of them. Just try again and it will work. Now it has analyzed our prompt and given us handwritten notes. When you run it, you might see slightly different results because AI generated handwriting can change every time. So keep that in mind. Still, it has created very good notes overall. If you've seen other videos, they usually generate only one page and then keep asking to create 8 more or 10 more pages. But here, there is no need for that. These are comprehensive notes. I provided the entire chapter and it has created complete notes for the whole chapter, covering reactions and equations as well. You can check it yourself. I am not a hardcore science student. I just used it for a demo, but based on my knowledge of science, it looks correct. So you can study using this method. Now, the biggest question is, how do we convert this into a PDF or take a printout? It's very easy. You will see the code here. Copy the code, press Ctrl plus A, then Ctrl plus C, and paste it into an HTML file. When you save it, choose Save as All Files. Give it any name you like, for example, Notes 1, and save it as an HTML file. Once saved, it will appear on your desktop. When you click on it, all your notes will open properly. After that, you can print it, save it as a PDF, or keep it as it is. There will be no problem. I hope you liked the video. If you want the prompt, I'll give it to you. You'll find it in the comments and also in the description. But do make sure to add some inputs from your own side as well.